morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about problem solving related to addition and subtraction. Today I will teach you about multiplication that already you learned in your previous class. Children, can you say what is called multiplication? In simple algebra, multiplication is the process of calculating the result when a number is taken times. The result of a multiplication is called the product. That means when we multiply two numbers. Listen, when we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called product. The number of offset in each group is called multiplicand and the number of such equal group is called multiplier. Children, there are a few different signs that people use to indicate multiplication. The most common sign of multiplication is cross. This one is the most common sign of multiplication, and but sometimes people use asterisk or dot for multiplication. This one and this one also used as a sign for multiplication. In simple way, you can say that multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times is called multiplication. That means multiplying means repeated addition of a number. Example I will show you. 5 multiply 4. 5 multiply 4, that means 5 you have to write how many times? 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Add this number together. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. You check your answer. 5. Read the table of 5 4 times. 5 za, 5 2 za, 5 3 za, 5 4 za. 5 4 za, that is 20. Here we took the number of 5 and added it together 4 times. This is why multiplication is called times. Okay. Now 0 and 1 are two special cases. When multiplication we are saying special cases, that means when you multiply 0 with any number, answer the product will be 0. Example. Examples, take 7 multiply 0, product will be 0. 150 multiply 0, it will be also 0. 1 5 4 7 6 8 multiply 0, it will be 0. That means if any number will be multiplied with 0, then product will be also 0. And in another case, if we multiply any number with 1, then the number itself is the product. That means example 7 multiply 1, answer will be 7. 1 5 8 4 multiply 1, same answer will be 1 5 8 4. That is two special cases, 0 and 1. When multiplying by 1, the answer is always the same. Next, student, see here what is given in your book. First one is given, observe, understand and complete the following. Here, question is observe, understand and then complete the following. See here, you have 7, 42, 6, 8 is written, 2 boxes are the left here. See, 7 6 are. What is here? 42. This one is the multiplication. 7 6 are. Product is written here 42. Same way, 6 8 are. What will be the product? 6 8 are 48. Right here. 8 7 are. That is 56. That one is the answer. Next. Second example I will take from your book. Here 10 is written. In this box 300 is written. Here 30 is written. And in this side 5 is written. See, 10 30s are 30. If you read the table 30 10 times, it will be the 300. Here 5 30s are how much? Read the table of 35 times. It will be the 150. Same way, this one 5 10s are. What will be the answer here? 50. That is your answer. Now, third example from your book. What we notice here? Simple. If two numbers are given, we multiply together the number and write in the third blanks. Here 15 is written. In this box 6, here 108 and here 18 is written. 18 is written. Now see, 15 6 are 90. If you don't know the table, multiply in the rough paper and write the answer. Now 15 multiply 18. What will be the answer? You just multiply in rough paper and write the answer. Answer will be 270. Answer will be the 270. In this way, we observe the pattern and fill in the boxes. Now, see how to multiply. Already you learn. In starting I told you already you learn in your previous class how to multiply the number. If given the two numbers, example is 4540 multiply to 8. Students, see here. One first way how to multiply. We write this number 540 and here we have to write 28. Okay. Now see. First we start from this digit ones. 8 zeros are 0. Then 8 fours are 32. Then what we will write? 2 and 3 is the carry. Again 8. Read the table how many times? 5 times. 8 fives are 40 and plus 3 it will be the 43. Okay. Then what previous class I already taught you. Afterwards, after multiplying with the first number, we have to when you multiply with the second number, we have to put the 1 cross here and then you start 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now add together 0, 2, 8, 3, 11. 1 we will write, 1 is carry here and 1 plus 4, 5 and this one will be the 1. Now students, I will explain you another way how to multiply the number. This one is the first way. You learn in your previous class. Another way I will explain you here. By expanding the number. Here what is written here? 540. Same number I will take here. 540 multiply 28. What you have to do? Expand the number. This one. This number. You have to expand. Means first number as it is you write 540 written here. 540 you write and after then you expand the number. Do you know already I taught you expanded form? Suppose 746 is given. How to? 7 first digit. After then how many numbers is there? 2. 1, 2. Then 4 is written 4. How many digit? 1. You have to put 1. Then here. Same way 28 is written. How to write? 20 plus 8. That is the expanded form of 28. After expanding the forms, what we have to do? Multiply this number to this and again this number to this. Means 540 multiplied through 20. Now it is very easy. 0, 0. You have to write the 2 0 and 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. That is, and in second line you have to multiply with 8. Is 8 zeros are 0, 8 fours are 32 2 and carry 3, 8 fives are 40 and 3, 43. Now what we have to do? We have to add this number together and see what is the answer. What is the answer here? Add this number 0 0 0 2 8 1 4 5 and 1 means see both the answer is the same. Okay, this one is the first way you already know, and this one expanded form, that is the another way. You have to, when I give the questions, you have to solve these methods also, and in the side you have to show the expand form also. Once again I will take another example from your book. See exercise what is given here. 735 multiply 27. 735 multiply 27. What I told you, first we have to multiply the simple way. 735 and what we have to write in the down? 27. Multiply this one. Okay. Now first we have to start with 7. 7 how many times you have to read the table? 5 times. 7 5s are 35. What we have to write here? 5. And what is carry here? 3. Okay, then multiply 7, read the table how many times? 3 times, 7 3s are 21 and plus 3 that is 24, write here 4 and what is the carry here? 2. Then 7 7s are 49 and plus 2 that one will be the 51. Okay, then again what I told, when you have to multiply with the second number, first work is here, you have to put the cross and then you read the table 2, how many times? 5 times, 2 5s are 10. What we have to write here? 0 and carry is 1 here. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 7s are 14. Write here 14 and now add together. What is the answer here? 4 5, 4 plus 0 4, 7 plus 1 8, 5 plus 4 9 and 1. Okay, that means your answer is 19,845. And another process, another way how to, what I told you, 735 27. Expand the number. Which one? Which number we have to expand? Second number. Means first number as it is we have to write 735 multiply 27. How to write? 2 and how many digits here? 1. So put the 1 and 7 ones is here, no number. So as it is you write. And the second work is you have to multiply this number together. 735 multiply 20. And next one is the 735 multiply with this number. 735 multiply 7. Now 10 you write here. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 1 7. 2 7s are 14. Okay. Now this number you have to write. 7 5s are 35. What is carry here? 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 that is 24 4. Carry is 2. 7 7s are 49 and 51. Add the number together. 5 4 8 and this one will be the 9 and this one will be the 1. Both the numbers are the same. These are the way to multiply the number. So same way you have to expand. Once I will take the 3 digit, both sides 3 digit number and I explain you how to multiply and how to expand the number. 3 digit number. Both sides the 3 digit number. That means first one is the 513 and second one is the 236. This one is also 3 digit. This one is also 3 digits. Now multiply. First simple way how to multiply 513 236. Here, first work is first number here 6. Read the table 3 times. 6 3s are 18. 8 carries 1. 6 1 are 6 plus 1 7. 6 5s are 30. Right here. And what I told, you have to put the cross here. Then read the table. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 50. Okay. Then again you have to put the cross. And then you have to start read the table 2. How many times? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. That means, and now add all the numbers together. 8, 9, 7. That is 16. 1 is carry here. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 10, 0. 1 again carry here. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. 1, 1 again carry. 1, 1, 2. And this one is the means that is your answer. 1,21,068. In the side I will write here 121 and 068. Okay, and now the next expanded form. How to expand the number? 513 multiply. First number is 2. After then how many digits? 2. Then to put the 2 0. Then what is written here? 3. Write 3. How many digits after 3? 1. So you have to put the 1 0. And what is written in the last? 6. 6 after 6 no number is there. So you have to, as it is 6, you have to write. And again here you have to multiply all the numbers 513 with 200, 513 with 30, 513 with 6 separately. 513 multiply 200. 513 multiply 30. 513 multiply 6. After multiplying the 513, first 0 0 you have to write the 0 0 and multiply 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now here 1 0 put and then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Next here 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Then 6 1s are 6 1 7 and then 6 5s are 30. If you add all the number together, it will be the 121068. Means these are the way you have to multiply the number simply, and after then expanded form also you have to write the expanded form and multiply the number. Now children, here in the next lecture I will explain you about problem solving related to multiplication, and also I will give the notes.